Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a battery in a GMC Yukon key fob. It's a simple process that you can do yourself in just a few minutes. First, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 3-volt battery. This common battery type powers most Yukon key fobs, but always double-check your existing battery for its specific number before purchasing a replacement. Having the right tools makes this task quick and easy. Now let's open your key fob. Look for a small notch or seam along the edge, often near the key ring attachment point. For some newer models, you might first remove the emergency key and use it to pry open the fob. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this opening. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the key fob should begin to separate. Be careful not to use excessive force to avoid damaging the casing. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery inside its compartment. Before removing it, take a quick mental note or picture of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Most often, the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Use your screwdriver to gently lift and remove the old battery. Now, insert your new 3-volt CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. Once the new battery is securely in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, ensuring all edges match up. Gently press them together until you hear and feel them snap firmly into place. The seam should be flush with no gaps. Finally, head to your GMC Yukon and test all the key fob's functions, such as locking, unlocking, and remote start, to confirm it's working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.